Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am going to be your host for another Crafty Vision segment. Okay, so today's video is going to be a earring. I'm going to show y'all how to do a technique, and you're going to get a design from that technique, and we're going to be using copper wire. So I'm going to be using 18 gauge copper wire, and I'm going to be using 36 inches, okay? 36 inches of copper wire. So I have already taken the liberty to cut my copper wire. So you're also going to need some wire cutters, round nose pliers, a dowel, and of course your ruler to measure out your wire, okay? I'm going to repeat this. I'm using 18 gauge copper wire, bare copper wire. So let's go ahead and get this ball rolling. So I'm basically going to show you how to make a earring. Now this earring is going to be large. Now if you want to do this earring and you want to make it smaller, you can make this, do it the same way. Do the steps the same way, but use lesser wire. All right. So the very first thing we want to do is we want to take our wire and we want to place it and make a loop on our, we're going to make a loop, okay? Just like this. Now, once you make your loop, you are going to twist it. So you're going to do a series of twists. Okay, so you're going to twist it one time and pinch this up. Once you twist it, you're going to just pinch this piece up, and then you're going to start wrapping it. So let me show you. You're going to leave it on your dowel, and this dowel, for those of you who want to know where I got it from Walmart. And you're just going to wrap it around just like this on your dowel, okay? This is what you're going to have. And you're going to wrap it about maybe 4 or 5 times, okay? Now we're going to take this off. Now we're going to go ahead and try to shape this and make this into a really huge, these are going to be huge earrings. They're going to be hoop earrings, but they're not going to be your normal hoop. These are going to be like triple. I'm going to say it's got like, it's going to have about 4 or 5 hoops inside of one big hoop. Okay, I'll just put it like that. So what you want to do is you want to take your finger and you just want to start molding, like making your circles. Just like this. All you're going to be doing is just making some circles. But as you are doing this, you have to also hold your wire, okay? So you're just going to be going around just like this. But like I said, you have to hold your wire. And every time you come around, you got to make sure you leave some space in between. See where I'm going? Just leave enough space in between. Now, the thing about this design that I'm showing y'all how to make is once you make your circles, then you have to gather them all together. When you start gathering them all together, like bringing them together to make them tight, to keep the earring, to keep the shape of the earring the way you want it, you just continue to go around And you're going to have to mold this as well. Now I'm trying to straighten this out because it's got a little lump in it. So I'm going to bring that back out like that. Okay. Now I did make these using, okay, now this is my end result right here. So this is pretty much what you're going to have. I'm hoping that y'all can actually see the design. Okay, now what you want to do next is once you do that, you want to try to straighten everything up. And you got one little piece right here, okay, that you did not use. So you want to take that piece, this piece here, and you want to go to the back and bring it just like that through that first hole and pinch everything together. All your wires, you want to connect them all together, okay? You got to be using both of your hands pretty much at one time to do this. Because like I said, I'm working with 18 gauge copper wire. Take it through. Then you want to take it back through here. Okay. And you want to come over on this side. You flip it. And then you take it through, you flip it to the back, and you take it through the front from the back, just like this. Pull it through and pull it as tight as you can get it, okay? Now you have everything is in place. You want to do it one more time. This is the back of the earring, and then you want to pull it as tight as you can get it. Okay, now you can do these earrings with any type of wire. You don't necessarily have to use 18 gauge. I decided to use the 18 gauge copper wire because it's stiffer than normal wire. Okay, so once you get that twisted, and you can twist it, I'm going to say about 3 times. So I'm going to go back in one more time and twist this. Well, not twist it, but wrap it. Okay. So I did 2 over here. And then I came over here and I did 3 wraps. It doesn't really matter as long as you, and then you want to take your scissors, your wire cutters, and just snip it. Now, once you get your shape like this, you can pretty much make it into different designs if you choose to. Right now, I'm just trying to bring everything up. Okay, so now this is what you're going to have, all right? Now, you can go in and make an adjustment with your wire. You can straighten it up. If it's crooked, okay, so this is pretty much what your earring is looking like. I'm going to take and just go around on this. And that is your design. And I forgot to mention, the next thing you do is you want to pinch this over and you want to make a loop. Okay, you make your loop. Now these earrings are not, they are not heavy. They're pretty lightweight. They're not heavy at all. Okay. And you can make any type of style that you choose. And I'm going to show y'all some of the ones that I've that I've created. So this is more like an oval shape. Okay, this is more of an oval shape that I've created. Just trying to straighten it up. Okay, so you just go in and you can play with it for a little bit to get everything straight. And that's your design, okay? Then you can take your fish hook and you put your fish hook on, and you can wear this either way. You can flip it. You can flip it this way and wear it, or you can flip it this way and wear it. It's completely up to you on how you choose to wear this earring. Now I'm going to show y'all some other ones that I have created. Now you may have to do this a number of times. Now these two I made out of brass wire, and this is 20 gauge wire that I used to create these. Okay, this was the very first one that I did using the copper wire, and this has more of a round face. Now if you didn't want to make this to wear for earrings, because everybody don't like big earrings, you could use this as a pendant. This could be a part of, this could be the face, a pendant of a necklace. And you can add your wire on there, and then you can make your earrings much smaller, okay? So this concludes today's how to make DIY video. I want to take this time to say thank y'all so very much for watching. Thank you to my new supporters and my loyal supporters. And until my next upload, peace and blessings. See ya.